need to go find my friend. I can't let her go. It's too dangerous for her to be out here by herself. Friend? 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 I'm sorry I said I didn't need you. I do need you. No. You can't be dead. I need you. Bye, friend. No. You can't leave me. No. This is all my fault. I shouldn't have been so greedy. I shouldn't have needed more. No. I should have been thankful for the one friend I did have. It's not your fault. Thanks for understanding. What am I gonna do? So many animal droppings. I mean, as well hunt a bunny to say sorry. Here, I'm so sorry for attacking you. It's fine. Where's your friend? Well, she's dead. What do you mean? She's dead. Tell me the whole story. I said I didn't need her. And then she wanted to go back to her pride. And she was gonna run over by those scary things. Oh no. What are we gonna do? So she's dead? She's dead. Being free isn't all that fun. If I had just stayed with the pride, this would have never happened. Don't say that. I know it's hard to lose a friend. I lost many friends out here. In the wild. But we just have to accept the circle of life. And besides, I wouldn't know what I would do if you didn't come. What are you trying to say? It's just, I like you. You do? Yeah. But I thought you liked her. No. I like you. I like you too. How will she be if she's kind of feeling like the third wheel now? She doesn't need to be the third wheel. We can just include her. Won't it get kind of hard? But we'll try our best to include her. Huh. Now, come on. Let's go for a little walk. Okay. I want to explore some more of these parts. It's so nice. We should probably find a new home. We're just kind of out in the open. Yeah. Yeah. Besides, that place was way too close to the road. Yeah. Oh my. Yuck. Let's go back to our little town. Away from all those bird droppings. Yep.